If 2n plus 5 is equal to 16, the expression 2n minus 3 equals 2n plus 5 is equal to 16, and therefore 2n is equal to 11. Then all I have to do is subtract 3 from both sides, like this, and that gives me 2n minus 3. And the other side gives me 8. And that's the answer. So number 5, the answer is A. The expression 5 squared minus 4 squared under the square sign is 5 squared is 25, 4 squared is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. Number 3, the answer is 3, and that's choice C. If n is 101, which of the following has an even value? Let's figure out all of these. This would be 303. This would be 103. This would be 89. 2n minus 2 will be 200, and 3n plus 2 would be 305. So which of those is even? It's this one. And 2n minus 2, no matter what n is, it will be even because it factors. You factor out a 2 and you get n minus 1. So no matter what the value of n is, because 2 is a factor, that number will always be even. So number 8, the answer is D. The expression 6 times 111 minus 2 times 111 is, well, this is 666, and this is 222, so it becomes 444. And therefore, number 1, the answer is C. The expression 3 plus 1 over 10 plus 4 over 100 is not equal to. Well, I guess we have to add this fraction first, and let's see what we get. So, getting a common denominator, multiply top and bottom by 10, and multiply top and bottom here by 100, I guess. So that would give me 314 over 100. And there's various ways of writing this, right? So one way is just to have the 3 by itself and then the other part as a fraction. And that is what they've done here. So this is equivalent. So that is not one of the answers, not the answer. 314 over 100 in decimal format is 3.14. So that is equal. So that's not the answer. 5 over 110. Well, that doesn't look anything like this. So that's probably the right answer, but let's just go through the other ones. 7 over 50, well, that's just this part reduced to lowest terms, 7 over 50, that's all that is. So that is equivalent. 157 over 150 is this chopped in half, top and bottom, 157 over 50, as you can see. So that is equivalent. So the only one that's not equivalent is this one. 7 is C. Which of the following expressions is equal to an odd integer for every integer n? Okay, well, if we can find even one exception, it's not true. So, for example, in this one, when n is 2, it would be 2017 minus 3 times 2, which is 6, which is 2010. 2010 is even. So that's certainly not odd, so that's gone. 2017 plus n, well, that's easy. When n is 1, it becomes 2018. And that's obviously even, so that's gone. 2017 times n, let's see, when n is 2, it becomes 4034, which is even, so that's gone. When n is 1, this one becomes 2018, so that's gone. So we pretty much have boiled it down to E as the answer without even proving it. It's just process of elimination. But 2n plus 2017, if we break this up into 1 and 2016, an odd number is always of that form, 2n plus 1. And the 2016 obviously is an even number. So we have an odd number plus an even number, and that result will always be odd. Try it. Any odd number plus any even number will always be odd. So number 10, the answer is E. When x is 3, the value of this expression is, well, I immediately notice is that you've got an x minus 3 in there. So if you put x as 3, x minus 3 becomes 0. So that whole expression, since it's a product, will all be 0. So therefore, number 3, very quickly, you can get the answer as being C. If A is negative 3 and B is 2, the value of A times B minus 3 is A times B minus 3. So A is minus 3, B is 2 minus 3. There you go, substituting those values. This becomes minus 3 times minus 1, and that is positive 3. So number 4, the answer is C. X is equal to 12, y is equal to negative 6. The value of 3x plus y over x minus y is 3x plus y over x minus y. All right, 3 times 12 plus negative 6 all over x minus y. So 12 minus 6, like that. So that gives you 36 minus 6 all over 12 plus 6. This is 30 over 18. And in lowest terms, I guess divide top and bottom by 6, and you'll get 5 over 3. So number 5, the answer is C. The value of 6 times 2017 minus 2017 times 4 is, you can just factor out the 2017, and you're left with 6 minus 4. And then that's going to be 2017 times 2, which is 4034. So number 1, the answer is D.